how to order a custom PNC debit card. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want a custom looking PNC debit card, well, let's walk you through how to select from PNC design and clarify what's possible. So here, to customize your debit card or card design, you can just log in to the PNC mobile app or the online banking, and after that you can simply go to cards and then tap on card action. And there you just have to tap change card design and browse from over 50 card design from sports team and universities to scenic and pride themes. So there you can simply select your preferred design and read the disclosures, and after that you can just tap on submit, and once you do that your new debit card will arrive in 5 to 7 business days, and once activated it replaces your old card. But here you might be wondering, can we upload our own photo or custom artwork as a card design? The answer is no. Currently, PNC doesn't let you to hold or upload their own images or photos for debit card, so you can only choose from the bank pre-designed option. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.